Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Zen browser not loading websites issues in 2026. If web pages won't open, keep loading forever, or show connection errors, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's working properly. Try opening a website in another browser to confirm that your network is active. Next, refresh the web page or restart Zen browser. Temporary browser glitches can often prevent websites from loading correctly. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browsing data can sometimes cause loading problems and website errors. Next, disable any VPN services, proxy settings, or browser extensions that may be interfering with your connection. Now make sure Zen browser is updated to the latest version. Updates often include fixes for networking and website compatibility issues. If the issue continues, try opening the website in a private or incognito window to determine whether the problem is related to your browser profile. Next, restart your router and reconnect to the internet to refresh your network connection. Now check your firewall or antivirus software and make sure Zen browser is not being blocked. Next, try changing your DNS settings to a reliable public DNS service if websites are still not loading. Finally, restart your computer and test the websites again. If necessary, reinstall Zen browser to replace any corrupted browser files. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Zen browser not loading websites issues. Your browser should now open and load websites normally without connection problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.